Hello kids, welcome back to another session. In today's session, we are going to do questions based on minus 4's big friends formula. What is the big friends formula of minus 4? It is minus 10 plus 6. So, I am going to apply this formula where I will not have enough bits to add. Subtract minus 4. Okay? Now, let's start with the B row. Okay? Wherever in these questions I can't do minus 4, what I will do, I'll just directly apply the formula of minus 4. Okay. So A row is your homework and B row we will do in class. First question. At 3, at 7. I don't have beats to do at 7. So formula of 7 is plus 10 minus 3. Then minus 4. Can I do minus 4? No. What is the formula of minus 4 we learned today? Minus 10 plus 6. So here I will do minus 10 plus 6 and then plus 5. No beats for plus 5. So formula of plus 5 is plus 10 minus 5. My answer is 11. Next question. At 10, minus 4. Can I do minus 4? No. Why? Because I don't have enough beats to do minus 4. So, what is the formula of minus 4? Minus 10 plus 6. Then again minus 4. But this time when we will do minus 4, we are going to apply the small friends formula. Because see, if at all I'll try to apply the big friends formula, do I have minus 10 to do it? No. We don't have any 10. So, how we are going to subtract it? So here we will do the small friends formula of minus 4, that is minus 5 plus 1 and then plus 8. Do we have bits to do plus 8? No. So big friends formula of 8 plus 10 minus 2. My final answer is 10. Next question. 12 minus 2 minus 4. No beats to do minus 4 again. So formula of minus 4 minus 10 plus 6 and then plus 5. Do I have beats to do plus 5? No. So formula of plus 5 plus 10 minus 5. Simply we are just applying the formula everywhere. Nothing else we are doing. We are just applying the formula wherever we are getting stuck. Okay. Next question. 13 minus 4. Do I have enough beats to do minus 4? No. So pick friends formula of minus 4 minus 10 plus 6 and then plus 9. Formula of 9 plus 10 minus 1 and then minus 7. My answer is 11. Next. -14 minus 4 again minus 4. Do I have enough beats to do minus 4? No. So, big friends formula of minus 4 minus 10 plus 6 and then plus 3. Wherever I am able to add or subtract my beats easily, no, I have beats to do them. Obviously, I'll just add them like it. Why will I apply the formula for no reason, no? So, wherever you are stuck, you can't add the beats or subtract the beats, then only you apply the formula. Okay? So, complete your A row in homework. B row we have done in classwork and drop the answers in the comments of the A row. I'll see you in the next class now. Bye bye.